Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to become a seller with G2G.com. So here we are at G2G.com, and this may be the screen that you're seeing, but regardless, up at the top right hand corner, if you look, you should see where it says become a seller right next to the login button. That's what you're going to want to have to click, and then you should see this screen here, and you'll see the button that says register now. We're going to click that, and from here you can either log in with your email and password, or you can continue with Facebook, Google, Twitter, and PayPal. You can also sign up if you are new to G2G down here at the bottom. If you click that, and that will take you to the sign up screen. And this, as far as the seller account, I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google. And so you can see here now that we are at the screen to register as a normal seller. And from there, you can enter in your mobile number, select I'm not a robot, and hit continue. And you can become a seller with G2G. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.